My name is Jonny Feld. We're here in Fresno, California in our showroom at Fieldvan, and I'm here to show you our Summit S2 on this 4x4 Sprinter. This thing is insane. Let's check out some of the details on the exterior of this Sprinter 4x4 Fieldvan. We have black Rhino wheel and tire package with BFGoodrich. Love getting in the back of this one. The rear of this van is really awesome. So you've got the rest of the bed here. This can all remove. So if you don't need this optional lower bed, if you want mountain bikes in here, need taller storage, this can all come out. It's got a cab bed option. It's got an upper bed for two, another platform bed for two, and then this sofa here can fold down and make another bed for two. So it's crazy. You could have like 7 people sleeping in this thing if you want. And it still has tons of storage and all the amenities. We got our refrigerator, you've got your microwave, countertop, nice little galley area, plenty of storage for your stuff. A Porta Potty slides out of that cabinet. And then we have our sink here. And then we have a Poptop here for 2, comfortable mattress, windows, ladder to get in and out. And this thing just has everything. It's a really killer setup. Now that you've seen the Summit S2, feel free to go check out our website at fieldvan.com, and don't hesitate to give us a call if you have any questions. We're here to help you create your adventure.